Hello friends, welcome to insiderprotocol.com. When you log into in your mobile, insiderprotocol.com, a mobile view will be like this. You should sign up with my promo code. In this video description you have a promo code. You click on register and enter my promo code starting with ZTF ending with the PAD, so that you can get $18 worth of 5 iPro coins free instantly right now. Okay, today we are going to see how to deposit Bitcoin and how to open TID. We are going to see here right now. When you log into your insiderprotocol.com account in your mobile, this is a mobile login view. Okay, here it is that insider protocol, this one. Okay, right, I am zooming. Okay, how to deposit in our account, this is we are going to talk about. Okay, when you log into your account, this is dashboard. Okay, you see here, this is dashboard. Okay, right, you have to click on deposit here. Okay, or else you have to click on deposit here. When you click on deposit, the view will be like this. Okay, deposit page is open right now. Here you have to enter the amount in USDT, how much you want to deposit, $1,000 or $10,000 or $20,000 amount money here in USDT. Okay, after entering money in USDT, you have to click this accept button, then you have to click on deposit. But you are depositing Bitcoin. Okay, you are depositing your Bitcoin, but you are entering money in USDT. Okay, you understood? Okay, only Bitcoin dividends are available right now. I am entering here the $10,000. I have a USDT, I have entered. Then you have to click on accept the terms and conditions. You have to click and then click on deposit. Okay, when you have clicked that, a page will be open to you, a deposit page. It is showing, if you have a mobile wallet, you can scan here this code to send your amount into the platform. And if you want to paste the address, BTC address, this is the Bitcoin address, to copy this here. Okay, here you have to copy this address. You have to send this amount to this account. Okay, this amount you have to send, this amount you have to send to this BTC address. Copy this account and send that money to that address. Okay, within 30 minutes you have to make payment. Okay, within 30 minutes you have to make payment. Once you have made payment, within 3 network confirmations, the transaction will be confirmed. You have to click on deposit. Okay, here when your deposit is completed, you deposited Bitcoin will be shown here in USDT deposited. Okay, it will be here USDT deposited. Yes, your deposited money will be seen here, will be visible here, USDT deposited. Then how to open new TID? Okay, if you want to open new TID, you have to click on invest here. Okay, or else you have to click on investments. I am clicking on invest. When you click on invest, there is an option open new TID. Okay, open new TID. Okay, and we have deposited our money. First we have to do is buy a trading card. We have to buy a trading card here. First of all, buy a trading card, then open this one, new TID. what we have to do is, number one, make a deposit, number one. Number two, buy a trading card. Number three, open new 3ID. Okay, second option you have to do, buy a trading card. Click on buy a trading card, then you have to come here, you have to buy here, click on buy. Okay, here if you click on buy, the amount is 980. If you deposited 980, you can buy this one. If you deposited 5000 USDT, you can buy this card. If you deposited 10,000 USDT, you can buy this card Callisto. And if you have deposited 17,000 USDT, you can buy this card. Okay, once you bought this card, you have to click on the invest. Okay, you have to click on invest. Okay, then you have to click on open new TID. Okay, did you got confirmation? Do you got this full information? I have an idea. First of all, you have to deposit your Bitcoin by clicking on deposit, number one. Number two, you have to buy a trading card by clicking on buy a trading card. Second, third one, you have to open a new TID. I'm clicking on open new TID. Here we can see a pop-up came up here, option 1, option 2 and option 3. Okay, option 1, here in option 1, maximum 30 days, maximum 500 i4 coins. You have to click these two buttons. I confirm to open TID. I accept terms and condition. Then you have to click on open new TID. Once you click on open new TID, your iPro amounts that you entered iPro amounts for the period will be automatically sent into trading. Okay, here in option 2, you can open you can set 180 days maximum, 5000 iPro maximum. You have to click both of this and you have to do this one. Here have 730 days maximum, 50,000 maximum. Click this both and open new TID. Once you open new TID, your amount will be automatically sent into TID trading. Okay, here what we have in option 1, you can make TIDs. You can open TIDs only 3. In option 1, you can open TIDs only 3. In option 2, you can open TIDs only 4. In option 3, you can open TIDs 5. Got it? Once you open TIDs, your amount will be shown here. Okay, always you will be in dashboard. Your daily income, if you want to see, click on investments. If you click on investments, your daily income will be shown here. Okay, your daily income will be shown here. Yeah, see, on 21st I received money, on 20, on 19, on 18, on 17, on 15, 16. Every day I am getting money here. This money. I put money 1153 and here 50, here 5000. I have opened for that money TIDs. I am getting regularly. See the dates, these dates. Okay, this is the money I am getting daily. This is the money I am getting daily. You can get money. Okay, for 15 days I received money. You can see my wallet here. For 15 days I have received 3695 USDT for 15 days only. Okay, another 15 days it will be another 3500. It means approximately 6500 or 600, like that. Okay, 6500 USDT per month is a good income for everyone, for leading a family in free life, and you can do whatever you want in your life. And that means if you want to help the poor, if you want to do the charity, if you want to help the hopeless people, helpless people, if you want to develop your place, your people, your community, you can utilize this your earnings or income. Okay, you can live free life. Oh wow, yeah, here every day every day and everyone is getting income. Okay, what are the daily interest rates for your open TID is you can see here 1.93%, 2.48%, 1.93, 0.82, 2.58, 2.58, 4.94, 5.74, 4.94. These are the dividend interest rates every day. Okay, here we are depositing our money. Number one, we are opening new TID. Okay, step by step I will tell you. We are in dashboard. Okay, here it is dashboard. You have to deposit money, number one. Number two, you have to buy a trading card. Then you have to open new TID. Okay, once you open new TID, your money will go automatically sent into trading, and the daily dividends will come to you to your account. This is the genuine platform, awesome platform I found on YouTube, on the internet. I have researched a lot of time now, approximately 3 to 4 years. I have researched this platform, and 1 year ago I have invested in this platform, daily and regularly earning amounts, and so many times I take withdrawals also. This is the genuine and real platform for earning money. This is the best income source for all, I think. That's all for the day. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you.